The BuddhistRoad project now has a database. It is a tool to help you search for information within the BuddhistRoad publications. It consists of 4 worksheets: manuscripts, artifacts, sites, and persons. Let me introduce it to you. Under manuscripts, you'll find a list of the manuscripts mentioned in the BuddhistRoad publications, even those mentioned only in footnotes. Information includes the inventory numbers, the title or content of the manuscripts, the publications in which the manuscript is mentioned, its type, like is it an original manuscript or the print of a manuscript. It features also the language and the script. We have information about the authors, the dating period, place of discovery. You can find a link to the IDP website or respective other online sources, or sometimes to the books where you can find prints or pictures of the manuscripts. We also have a column with notes, which gives an insight on the information you can find within the BuddhistRoad publications. And this last column, references, lists similar manuscripts or whether a text is partially translated or transcribed. But please keep in mind, work is still in progress and some information might still be missing. To search within the database, you have several options. You can either go by number, of course. For example, you want to search the Paleo numbers. You just need to scroll down here, and here you have them under P. On a side note, if you want to know which abbreviations we used, you can check out our list of abbreviations, which we also have on our BuddhistRoad website. You can resort the table. For example, you want to find entries from a specific publication. So you can either say that you want to sort it from A to Z, or that you only want to find entries from this publication, for example. Then only those are shown. Apart from that, you can also, of course, use the search option. You can, for example, search for a hymn. You'll have several entries for that. On another side note, if you want to search for manuscript names that have special characters in them, like the Prajna parameter, you really need to have those special characters already included in your searching word. Otherwise, it will not be able to find anything. Your sorting changes are only visible to you, so feel free to use this feature. And you can also write comments, which are then visible to everybody. So happy exploring!